afternoon, sir. This is my model. Most of the students right now are thinking that it is difficult, but I just want to show that it's really very easy if we apply physical method. And this is the model for the Pythagoras theorem. This is the hypotenuse base and the perpendicular. And it is possible only in the right angle triangles. And this model understands to many people that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square that was set by the Pythagoras in the Pythagoras theorem. And this is the model that can easily understand by the student, and if the student understand like
what a student can understand from this sheet?
Now the students are difficult to by heart the formula,
okay.
And if we use this practical method, and they will never forget in their life. So I just want to tell to all the teachers of Manipur especially that math is really very easy. We need to use the practical method. So I request all the teachers to use the practical method like this. And this is a model for easy to taught in the syndrome. Like if we want to talk multiplication table, I use this with very simple material that are found in the kitchen.
Yes.
And the student can by heart easily the multiplication table. If we taught in the theoretical form, they might be forget. So we need to use in the practical form like this. 4 into 4 equal to 16. And others like 3 into 7 equal to 21.
3 into
9 equal to 27. 2 into 9 equal to 18. 8 into 8 equal to 64. Like this, the student can by heart easily, and if we apply the practical method, they will never forget, and it will be long term. This is the model.
Very good. This is also a good idea. Even in everywhere we can find this thing, and the kids can play like this. Automatically they will see the figure. Yeah, very nice. Yes. Very good. Well done.